all, respected principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. Okay, today is 26 November. We are celebrating Constitution Day, is also known as the Samvidhan Divas. This day is very special because it marked the adoption of our Indian Constitution in 1949. Our Constitution is a very important document that guide our country and assure that with justice. The Constitution was made by the team of wise people led by the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is also known as the father of Indian Constitution. He worked hard to make sure that our Constitution is fair and just for everyone. Let's all remember the value of our Constitution and try to follow them in our daily lives. We should respect each other's right, work together to build a fair and just society. Thank you so much.
I, Sumitra Guru, student of Standard 9, it's my opportunity to stand before you all and deliver a short speech on a topic, Constitution Day. The Constitution Day of India is observed every 26 November to commemorate the historic adoption of our Constitution in 1949. The Constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950, making our complete transition from a British colony to fully democratic region. The making of our Constitution was an extraordinary journey led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, known as the father of Indian Constitution. Supported by many visionary leaders, the drafting committee recognized the immense of diversity of India in language, religion, region, and caste, created a document that binds us together as one nation. As students, we benefit from the right to education, the protection against discrimination, and the freedom of expression rights ensured by our Constitution. But we should remember that along with rights comes duties to respect the law, to promote harmony, to protect the environment, and to work towards the betterment of society. Lastly, in conclusion, then even I would like to say that as we celebrate Constitution Day 2025, let's not only pay tribute to our founding leaders, but also renew our pledge to uphold the strength, the ideals of our Constitution through our words and our deeds. Thank you.
Preamble. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity, integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you so much.
What do you know about Constitution? Yes? Basic rules, Bandamani, it's a written law. Okay? Written law of any country. So India ko pani yo constitution jun chai banyo, and it was adopted in the year 1950. So and thank you Lakpa sir for taking such pain to prepare such questions which have really broadened our knowledge regarding constitution. I know not only constitution, sabai article ke हामीलाई धेरै याद भयो for one word. You can do that. Okay. And thank you Sumitra for delivering such a wonderful speech. Okay, thank you.